Hi guys, it's Mrs. Anderson. I just wanted to give you a tip as your advisory teacher about attendance and how to track how many lessons you've completed every week. This is one big question that people have is how can I track how many lessons I completed so that I don't get an absence? Well, I wish there was a really easy way in the system that it just shows you, here's how many lessons you've done this week, but there's not. So this is on you. And so here's what I would do if I was you. Grab a piece of paper. If I had a pink or blue or yellow piece of paper, I would use that so that I'd never lose it. But right now I'm just using a regular old piece of paper. And at the top, you can write lesson log. And this is where you can track how many lessons you've completed each week. And so just write week 1. And you can even write the dates for week 1. So let's see, what are the dates for week 1? We start on October 26th is the Monday. And this week would end on November 1st, which is a Sunday. So it always goes Monday through Sunday. You have all week, all the way through till Sunday at 11:59 p.m. To finish your lessons. Now, every one of you has a different requirement for how many lessons you have to complete in a week. Most people have 10. Some people have 8. Some have 7. Anyway, whatever yours is, let's just pretend you're someone who has 8. I'm going to write right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you write your number of lessons here. Every time I complete a lesson, I'm going to write it down. Let's say you completed geometry lesson 3. Write it down. Now you know you've done 1 of your 8. Okay? And you're going to fill this in as you go all week, and that can help you track your progress. You can also make goals for yourself. Like if you want to do 2 every day, you could write like this. Okay, lessons 1 and 2. I'm going to do this on Monday. I need to get 2 lessons done on Monday. Maybe on Tuesday, you want to get 3 done. You know, this is just optional. Make goals for yourself. But you need to be filling this in as you go through the week. And then you'll know if you got an absence or not. If you don't hit 8, you get an absence. If you do hit 8, you don't get an absence. It's that easy. But you have to track it yourself. Okay? The other thing I just wanted to tell you real quick is the difference between a lesson and an assignment, okay? So in your course, let's go to a course here. In your course, here's a geometry lesson. All right, in this course, here's lesson 1. To complete lesson 1, you have to do all of the things in lesson 1. There's lots of things here. There's some workbooks, there's a video instruction, and there's a checkpoint. You have to do all of this, and that counts as lesson 1. Okay, so once you complete all of these things, then on your lesson log, you can write that you completed that lesson. Not just one of the things in there, if that makes sense. You can't just do workbook 1.1 and then write it down on your lesson log. That's not a lesson. That's just an assignment. If you have any more questions on this stuff, please let me know. I'm happy to help.